about the greenhouse effect, but do you really know what it is? The greenhouse effect causes the prolonged cycling of a global warming and cooling of the Earth. Without the greenhouse effect, the Earth will be 30 Celsius lower than it is today.
The sun directs solar radiation towards the Earth, and the atmosphere absorbs and traps the heat. There are several major greenhouse gases in the lowest atmosphere that play the role of trapping the sun's solar radiation. This effect is similar to what happens in a greenhouse. In a greenhouse, the sun's heat is absorbed, and some of this heat is stored within the greenhouse itself. This allows for the plants to grow quicker and allows for the cycling of heat between greenhouse and the plants. The greenhouse acts like an artificial atmosphere and is used worldwide.
The four major greenhouse gases are CO2, also known as carbon dioxide, N2O, also known as nitrous oxide, H2O, also known as water vapor, and CH4, also known as methane.
CO2 is a natural part of the Earth's carbon cycle. Human activities that add CO2 into the atmosphere are the combustion of fossil fuels for energy, transportation, and industry pollution. CO2 stays in the atmosphere for about 120 years. As the years go on, humans are emitting more and more carbon dioxide into the air. This is causing a rapid increase of global temperatures.
CH4 is a natural greenhouse gas that is also a hydrocarbon. It has a global warming potential of 21 of 100 years. 60% of emissions come from human activities. Impact of CH4 is 20 times greater than CO2. CH4 is produced from landfill waste, burning of biomass, animal digestion of animal waste, increasing 0.6% per year. Rate of increase of methane may be stabilizing. CH4 stays for about 12 years in the atmosphere.
H2O is one of the most important greenhouse gases. It accounts for 95% of the greenhouse effect. H2O has 99.9% of natural origin. Humans contribute to the adding of H2O into the atmosphere through farming, manufacturing, power generation, and transportation. Human contributions are small in comparison to natural cycling of water vapor.
Nitrous oxide is a natural part of the nitrogen cycle. Some human sources that add nitrogen into the atmosphere are agricultural activities, fossil fuel combustion, waste management, and industrial sources. Nitrous oxide remains in the atmosphere for about 114 years. 1 pound of nitrous oxide warms the atmosphere 300 times more than a pound of CO2. Its global warming potential level is 310 in a time span of 100 years.